In this video, we're going to show you how to add customizations to a product, and then to one of your customers. Go to your product database, choose a product, and edit it. Scroll down to the bottom of the product, and you'll see this Customization section. Select the company you want to customize this product for. Click Add Customization. And now we see the Awesome group here that has customization. We can choose to use the store price of $50.87, or we can have a different price. Let's choose a different price. We'll make this $55. Now, let's add some enhancements. For this enhancement, we're adding the logo and a first name. We can add a code if we like, and a cost associated with that enhancement. Given that we're adding a first name, we need to add a custom text field, so click Yes and then Save. Now we're going to go to the Awesome company and add this product to a role. Once we are in roles, we're going to choose the office staff. We'll edit this and we come to this field. Add a category. And the allocation price for this category. Now we can assign products. We'll select the products that we just customized. Then click Assign Products. The product will then be displayed where we will edit this product. Confirm the desired colors, the sizes, and then the enhancements that we just created. We'll select all enhancements and save changes. And there we have it. Let's take a look at the front end to see what a customer sees. We'll click on that product, and here we have the enhancements that they can select. Put in our name and complete the order. If you have any questions, please get in touch.